guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a simple and delicious chicken spaghetti sauce, so stick around. First I'll start by heating up a pan with some olive oil, and then I'll add 1 pound of ground chicken. Now you can use ground turkey, ground beef, whatever you decide. Now you're just gonna mince it up and let it fry until it's almost done. I'm just adding a diced onion to the meat, and I am going to be putting the recipe below for you guys. Now I'm just gonna add my garlic, and give it a really good mix and cook until the meat has no more pink. My meat is cooked through, so I'm going to add my seasonings. I have added some paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. But you can add whatever seasonings you like. And we'll just give that a really good mix. Now I'm going to add a can of tomato sauce. Yes, it's tomato sauce, it's not spaghetti sauce. Also, about 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. A dash of Worcestershire sauce, and some chicken broth. And then I'll give that a good mixture and get all the little bits off the bottom of the pan. While my spaghetti sauce is simmering for a while, I will go ahead and cook my pasta in some salted boiling water. I actually started this channel for a hobby, but I am getting so much more out of it. Thank you so much for subscribing. This definitely deserves a glass of wine to be served with it. It turned out amazing, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.